In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of doing a backup and restore. This is the way that I normally go about copying content from one course to another. So I'm going to begin from my source course, that being the course that's a previous course, this is the course from which I want to pull content into the new one or copy content from. So for starters, I will click on the gear icon and then I will click on backup. Okay, I will scroll down to the bottom. A lot of the time, most of the time, I would just have you click jump to the final step. That's going to copy all of your content, everything that's in the course, into one backup file. So let's just do that. So this usually takes anywhere from 20 seconds to a few minutes. It can take up to, I've seen it take up to 15 minutes, especially when you have a lot of H5P content in your source course. Okay, great. We'll click on continue. Super. If I want to, the backup that I just created is usually at the top here of the user private backup area. I can download it if I want, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go now to my target course. This will usually be the new block, new semester, blank course that I want to copy content into. You see I already have some content in here. That's okay. It's going to get deleted. I'm going to click on the gear icon, and then I will click on restore. Now here's my user private backup area again. Now I'm going to click on the restore link. Okay, here's a summary of the file that you're going to restore. Just scroll to the bottom and click continue. Now, do we want to restore it as a new course? No, we want to restore into this course. I'll say that again, restore into this course. And most of the time, so merge the backup course. If you already have content in your new course and you want to merge, right? You want it, both the new content that's in there and your old backup content, you can do that. I'd say most of the time, the vast majority of the time, we want to delete the contents of this course and then restore. So I will click on continue. Include enrollment methods. Now I think anyone viewing this with the teacher role, I don't believe you'll have that option. But if, just in case you do, just leave it at no. Okay, scroll to the bottom and click on the next button. Include PLD data. Most folks aren't using the Personal Learning Designer, but I usually leave it checked anyway. Now on this schema page here, overwrite course configuration. I usually say yes. But then I have to go over it. And the reason I usually say yes is because I want like all the section headings and all the formatting from the previous course to overwrite whatever the formatting is in this target course. So I say yes, but this is important. This is real important. You have to remember to uncheck the overwrite the course name and uncheck the overwrite the course short name. Okay. You as instructors don't have the ability, you can't overwrite the course start date at this point, but you can always do that in settings if you want to. Keep current roles and enrollments. I'll usually say yes. That should keep all of your current students that are enrolled in your target course in there. Now I have seen it twice, only twice. I've seen it where Moodle ends up deleting that and then it breaks the connection with Banner. So it kind of drops all of your students out of your target Moodle course and they stay gone. If that happens, just get in touch with me. We can bring them back. Scroll to the bottom of this page. Click on the next button. Okay, this is just a review. We thoroughly review all of our choices. There we go. Now we click on Perform Restore. And again, this can take anywhere from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, depending on how much content and what kind of content you have in your course. This time estimator is always fantastically inaccurate. Okay, it's great. It's done. Click on continue. And there it is. And that is how you do that. Thanks for watching.